It was good, y'all niggas. The 4-year laws of power. We got 13 more videos to go. You know what I'm saying? I think I won't go all the way. Let's get straight into it. Law number 34. Oh, no, 36, right? Yeah, 36, 36. So, what is this law of 36 saying the laws of power? It says, be careful. Be careful what you pay your attention to. So, in life, you have to understand that life is all about ups and downs. And there are something called temporary ups and downs, and that's the permanent, the ones that you actually need to pay attention to. So, for example, let's say you have a test, right? You're preparing for a test. Um, let's say you fail the first one, right? But then the huge one is coming, right? And let's say you do good on the major one. Which results are you gonna go off your feelings of? The first one or the small one, the first one that you failed, or the second one which you did better? You go off from the one that you got better, which was much demanded bigger from you, right? This is because you need to understand that paying attention to small things wastes time. So what does the law of power say about this? It says that there's some things you shouldn't even pay attention to because it's just so insignificant to you and your goals, right? Or your conquest of power, right? But understand that you need to know the difference between something insignificant and a large problem which is only in the development stages. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Like you have to understand the difference. So what's the difference? Well, you have to like this is where the think then type of mindset will help you. Let's say you've been consistently failing, right? Then that's a large problem, right? Because that's now bigger now. But let's say I don't know how to explain this, but like, let's say there's a mouse in your house, right? At that moment, people will say it's just a mouse. Don't worry about it, right? But people that think then they'll be like, no, this needs to get out now because this thing can bring in more mice. And sorry about that. Like I was saying, the mice thing, people will say that this is the development stages because this thing can bring in more mice in, right? Right. So, you know, understand the differences between a problem, a significant problem, and a large problem, which is only the development stages. Sometimes the more interest you show something, the more you push it away. For example, women, if you show more and more interest, you draw them back. They'll pull back. You see what I'm saying? Which is why it's important to avoid. That's why I say the best work towards add is to add. Like you don't need it, but you may be tested to actually prove this. Hey, you need to prove that you don't even if you do. So what I mean is like for example the chicks, if you feel like if you act like you don't care, you don't give a fuck about the chick, she's gonna test you about that. She's gonna pull back and you actually prove like you don't care. Like you don't need them, even though you do. Like because with me I can say she's the love of my life, but then my actions will say something different. That's why I do it. People know me. They'll say, "Hey, with this chick, yeah, she's the girl of my dreams." I'll be like, I was simp. It will look sound like I'm a simp, but I ask her what she thinks about what she thinks that I think about her. She'll think like, "Oh, nah, it's just like he's too busy or something." Like, you know what I'm saying? You see? And now they'll be pissed when they gonna test you. You have to act. You gotta go through with the act because they'll come back eventually, right? You see what I'm saying? You see, so now it will sooner or later come to you because you show strength. That's what I was saying about the women thing. Women will come back to you because you showed them strength. Simple as that. And yeah, that's it for the Law 36. Like, comment below, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Sorry about that. And yeah, shit.